Hello and welcome back to my backyard tiki bar, Henry's Hideout. Today, we're gonna be messing around with the Navy Grog. Now, if you saw my last video, me and my fiance recently just went to Vegas and we tried 3 different tiki bars. At one of them, Golden Tiki, our favorite tiki bar in Vegas, I ordered probably the best Navy Grog I've ever had. It was a spice-forward cocktail with a hint of vanilla I felt in there, some element in there that was like a different form of sweetness. So it got me looking up different Navy Grog recipes, and I came across the Ultimate Navy Grog from Kevin Crossman. He's the creator of the Ultimate Mai Tai kind of blog, and I believe he has a recipe obviously for the Ultimate Mai Tai, but I'm gonna loosely base this Navy Grog on his Ultimate Navy Grog. However, we do have different tastes when it comes to sweetness, so it's gonna be my own kind of Frankenstein version of his Frankenstein version of a couple of his favorite Navy Grogs. So we're going down the list here. This will be somewhat of a combo of Don's Navy Grog, Trader Vic's Navy Grog, Kevin's Navy Grog, and then my Navy Grog. So without further ado, let's get into this. In all honesty, I've probably chosen way too many rums, like an unnecessary amount of rums to use in this, but we're gonna get mixing and let's see what we create. For my version of the Ultimate Navy Grog, which I don't know if it's good or not yet, you will need
3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, a 1/2 ounce of 2-to-1 honey mix, 3/4 of an ounce of Dawn Spices No. 2. This is a mixture 1-to-1 of vanilla syrup and allspice pimento dram. Then you'll need 4 different types of Jamaican rums here. I'm going to go with 1/2 ounce of Appleton 8-year, 1/2 ounce of Coruba Jamaican rum, 1/2 ounce of Smith & Cross Jamaican rum, and 1/2 ounce of the Probitas Green Label rum. And finally, you'll need 1 full ounce of a Demerara rum. Transfer the cocktail into your shaker tin. Fill with a bit of pebble ice. Lock it up and shake it up. Present your rocks glass with ice cone and pour directly in. For garnish, place a dried grapefruit wheel and some mint in it.
And so, without further ado, here is my version of the Ultimate Navy Grog. Also, sorry, the camera overheated while I was doing the garnishing because it's really hot out here. So this is gonna hopefully taste refreshing. Let's see if this tastes anything like the Navy Grog that inspired me to make this today, the one I had at Golden Tiki. Let's give it a shot. Oh man. Oh wow, I am so happy with that. Also, I did make an ice cone for my very first time and it came out fine. I just did it with some tin foil. I made a cone out of tin foil and then blended up some ice and made it kind of like a snow cone and put it in the straw, and the ice cone is awesome. The drink is actually really cold as well. I thought with the ice cone instead of pebbled ice it wouldn't be as cold, but it seems almost colder. But I'm tasting exactly what inspired me to make this. I'm tasting a heavier spice note. I'm tasting a little bit of an unfamiliar kind of sweetness on the back end, which has got to be that vanilla. And when I say unfamiliar, I just mean unfamiliar to a Navy Grog. Now, where I went different from Kevin Crossman is I used a lot less of the syrup. I believe he used a full ounce of honey mix and a full ounce of Don's number 2. So we cut that down, and this is the perfect sweetness level for me. Now, my unique combo of rums is definitely way different than Kevin's ultimate Mai Tai mix, but I think I chose wisely in the rums. You can definitely get a aged kind of flavor that mixes really well with the Demerara brown sugar rum. You get touches of the Hogo here and there, and just a nice, deep, punchy rum flavor that still isn't too over the top, actually. The honey mix is very subtle. Oh, I forgot to add a little bit of club soda. Hang on. I didn't even miss it, but let's add a little bit of club soda. All right, per recipe, here we go. Let's crack open a club soda. And Kevin Crossman said about 2 ounces. We'll do just about an ounce float there. Mix this on up. Oh, my ice cone is coming apart. It's becoming an iceberg now. We at least got the pretty shots beforehand. Honestly, I feel like I prefer without the club soda. Call me crazy, but I don't think Golden Tiki used club soda in the Navy Grog that I literally fell in love with the other day. Still really, really good with the club soda. Gives it a little bit of that effervescence, but it kind of kills the little inkling of vanilla that I get. Overall though, this is amazing. I think this is my new Navy Grog go-to. Couldn't be happier with this. I love when I try new things and they just work out. If you have all the rums that I used and you're gonna make some Don's number 2 spice mix, this is my first time making it. It turned out great. I'm gonna use it in some other cocktails, maybe experiment a little bit. If you have all the ingredients, go ahead and make this version of the Navy Grog and tell me in the comments down below how you liked it, or maybe if you changed the specs a little bit, what you changed them to. Thank you so much for watching. Please go watch our last Las Vegas video where me and my fiance reviewed tiki bars out there. And yeah, thanks so much for just supporting the channel and liking the videos and all the things that you guys choose to do. Really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll be back in a few days with a new video. But for now, aloha and cheers.